Deep within the thermal management systems of the Arctic, the polar bear operates with a specialized solar harvesting chassis. While they appear white, their design is actually a masterpiece of optical engineering and heat retention, allowing them to thrive in minus 40 degrees Celsius. The machine facts of the fur reveal that the hairs are not white, but transparent and hollow. These fiber optic tubes scatter visible light, creating the illusion of white camouflage, while simultaneously channeling ultraviolet heat down to the skin level. This engineering solution is supported by a layer of jet black skin. The black surface acts as a high-efficiency thermal absorber, soaking up the solar radiation delivered by the hollow fur. It is a biological solar panel that converts light into internal heat. Underneath the skin lies a thick fuel tank of blubber, reaching depths of up to 4.5 inches. This high-density fat layer serves as a primary insulator and an energy reservoir, ensuring the bear's internal operating temperature remains a steady 37 degrees Celsius in the ice. Diagram of a polar bear skin layers showing the transparent fur, black skin, and thick blubber insulation. Psychological facts show that these bears are masters of energy conservation. They move with a slow, deliberate gait to avoid overheating, as their insulation is so effective that running can cause their internal systems to redline even in freezing temperatures. Humans must treat and care for the sea ice platform that these heavy machines depend on. Without the ice, their hunting range is severed, and their cooling systems can become a liability on land. Stewardship of the Arctic air is vital for their survival. The history of the polar bear is a record of rapid adaptation. They evolved from brown bears relatively recently, modifying their hardware to switch from a forest-based diet to a high-fat marine diet. It proves that life can retool its design when pushed. Nature facts reveal that their paws are equipped with non-slip hardware. The soles are covered in tiny bumps called papillae and tufts of fur that increase friction on the ice. They are biological snow tires that allow for high-torque movement on slippery surfaces. Caring for the polar bear is a form of global climate maintenance. As apex monitors, their health reflects the stability of the entire northern hemisphere. If the polar bear's population stalls, it is a signal that the global cooling system is under extreme stress. The machine facts of their sense of smell show it is a high-sensitivity chemical radar. They can detect a seal's breathing hole from over a mile away, even under 3 feet of solid ice. Their nasal passages are designed to pre-warm the air before it hits the lungs. Engineering comparisons often liken the polar bear to a heavy-duty submersible. They can swim for days at a time, using their massive front paws as oars and their rear legs as rudders. Their nostrils close tight to prevent water from entering the intake. Every hunt is a lesson in patience and precision. We often value speed, but the polar bear proves that waiting for the right moment at a breathing hole is more efficient. It is a reminder that the most powerful machines are those that know how to wait. Every ice floe is a laboratory of thermal physics. By respecting the quiet work of these white giants, we recognize the labor involved in Arctic endurance. It is a partnership between the cold, the sun, and the hollow fur that bridges the gap between them. Let the polar bear remind you of the value of inner warmth. Even when the world outside is cold and harsh, having a solid internal foundation allows you to remain comfortable. Mastery of life is about building a system that can turn even weak light into heat. Take care of the frozen hardware of our planet. As we look toward the environmental restoration goals of 2026, protecting the sea ice is a top priority. Respect the ice and protect the North, so the solar-powered giants of the Arctic may continue to roam.